In this video, we're going to learn how to change playback resolution for faster playback, which means reducing the preview quality so your system can edit more smoothly. This is especially helpful if your timeline feels laggy or choppy while playing. Let's start. Go to the program monitor where your video preview is displayed. At the bottom of the program monitor, you'll see a drop-down menu that usually says Full. Click on that drop-down. You'll see options like Full 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16. If your playback is lagging, change it from Full to 1/2 or 1/4. As soon as you select a lower value, the preview resolution decreases and playback should become smoother. It's important to understand that this only changes how the video looks while editing. Your final exported video will still be full quality. If you want better preview clarity again, simply switch it back to full. Lower playback resolution is one of the simplest ways to improve performance while editing high resolution footage. And that's it. You now know how to change playback resolution for smoother editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.